Hi there, this is my model Bianca, and she has a very similar problem to what a lot of people have that want to be blonde. And I'm going to take this hair down just so you can see how it's real brassy and gold from about the roots out to here. Then this is literally way over blonded. Now what I'm going to do is take these down. I just sectioned these up so you can see how I'm going to section this. And what I do with this is I use this little triangle section so that I can see, turn it the other way, so I can see exactly the area that I'm going to go blonde. Now this translates into the salon, like you can really direct someone on where to put it. I'm going to do lighter and a middle color in this area. Then I'm going to put a low light and a little blonde in this triangular area. It will even go for the crown. I'm going to place a triangle. I've sectioned the triangle out here. Let's pull this down so we can see this. So this is where I'm going to add some blonde, then I'll start with the low lights right underneath. Now before I start, let me show you my three formulas. The first formula, because what I'm aiming to do is to bring some pieces past this honey color, and then I'm going to bring some pieces down. So this is my blue lightener by All Nutrient that I'm going to use. I know I'll get the lift there. Then I'm going to do an intermediate color in between the folds on the gold part. And this formula is, I believe, the 8C, which is going to cool down a little bit of the gold. Now, my low light color, I'm using Keratin, which is, this is the product you pick up when you want to low light some pieces, but you want to keep it a little more natural. Now this formula, I am using a 6 chocolate, 3/4 chocolate, and 1/4 6N. I'm just toning down that chocolate a little bit with the 6N. Now it's going to keep it real nice and natural because I'm using a 10 volume with the Keratin. So that's going to work really good. We're going to have a multitude of colors and make her hair actually look like it's a little more natural, even though I'm using 3 colors. Now the first area that I will start in, and I'm going to just quickly put the sections, my little triangle sections, back up so I just have it divided. I know where the blonde's going. I know where the highlight color is going. And I will start right on the side area. And this, the little triangle sections translate, it's a very easy way in the salon to direct someone or show a client what it's going to cost. Because if you're doing the triangle sections on short hair, it's a little less. This length, you're going to charge a little more. Because what does it do? It takes a little longer to do it. So I'm just simply going to go across the triangle. Now this area where I will start first is a deeper color. So I want to start my low lighting color, the chocolate and the 6N, right in this area. And I'm just working right across this section. Everybody, this is Catherine. She's been nice to assist me today and get my folds all ready. And I'm going right into my chocolate color, and I'll just brush it on. And I will continue right on up. I'll be back in just a few minutes and we'll complete this head and I'll show it to you completed. And that is our little multicolored dimensional low lighting and highlighting. We're back with my model Bianca, and what I've done so far is done some V-shaped triangle sections. I've done some highlights and low lights in here. Now what I'm going to do next is to put my intermediate color in here, and I'm going to apply it. You can see exactly where it's grown to. I'm just going to put it right on this hair that's a kind of a brassy honey color. We'll just apply it right here in between the folds. So we do this process all at one time. It works wonderful. It'll save you time in the salon. And I'm using 7C with 20 volume. I believe earlier I did say 8C, but it's 7C right on the brassy part. And just working in between each fold. This is a C, so I'm not combing it through to her ends, but this is a color that's going to marry the 3 colors together so that she'll come out with a lot of highlights in her hair, and yet she'll have some low lights, so it will really look very natural. She's going to look very beachy, like she's been out in the sun quite a bit. You can see I'm just putting this on right in between. And it works wonderful because I don't know how long, it had been long since she had her hair colored, but already she's got a little root color. This will eliminate that. She won't have quite as much root color growing in there as she does now. So just wiping it right on. Now I'll just complete this whole head. When I come back, she'll all be all finished. I'll have her haircut done and you'll get to see the end results.